No be Gadu's videos. No be Gadu's CLK be that. Good everyone, you are welcome to this video. To my new and old subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit this viral conjoined effect. Alright, I'm going to show you how you can edit this kind of viral effect that has been going on now. So without wasting much of our time, we are going to be using CapCut in this video. Let's head over to CapCut. Here on CapCut, I'm going to select new project and select my video. Now this is my video. Now please, I want you to pay attention. Now this is how you are going to shot your video. Make sure you place your phone on a tripod using a landscape or portrait mode. So now this is what you are going to do. You are going to be at a position like this. Make sure you don't move out of this position. All right, and you're going to act the first part. Can you see? Make sure you are moving your head to one side, because there must be space in between here. There must be space in between here. So make sure you move your head to one part. You do as if you are pressing your phone. Can you see? Can you see the way I move my head? Make sure you don't move your leg, you don't move your waist, just your head. Move it to one side. Yes. So after you are done with this, you are going to add the second part, which will move the other. Can you see that I didn't move my body at all? I didn't move my legs at all, just my head. Can you see now? So there is space in between this place. Please follow the instructions. So this is how to shot this video. So let me add this video. So what we are going to do is, first of all, let me tap on the video, go over to volume. It has a background noise. Let me bring it back to 0. Good. So once I do that, I'm going to split out the part I don't want. Okay, I want to split from it. Good. This is where I start pressing my phone, so I'm going to split from here. So I'm going to delete this place. Can you see? Tap on it and go over to, can you see delete? So once you delete it, you're going to move forward to that point that I moved to the other side. Okay, this is it. Good. So I'm going to split from here. Good. Yes. So I'm going to split here as well. So this middle is not, we don't need it. All right, this is the point I swap from this side to the other side. Okay, I'm going to delete. So once we have it like this, so we have two different characters now. All right, it's just as if we have two different characters now. So I'm going to, this is it. I'm going to split from here. I don't need the rest again. So let me delete the rest. Delete. So we are going to have this and also have what? This. So one of the two, you will just bring one to overlay. All right, so let me bring this to overlay. Select this one and go over to overlay. So once you select overlay, automatically it's going to come down like this. So you're going to hold on it and drag it to this side, drag it under. Make sure it is under. Good. Make sure it is under. So I think this one is longer than this, so I need to just split this. So I'm going to delete this. I believe you are following. Good. So the next thing we are going to do is to select this one that is under and go over to mask. Where is it? This is mask. Can you see mask here? Tap on mask. Once tap on mask, you are going to tap on horizontal. So once you tap on horizontal, you are going to use your finger to turn it like this, just to reveal the two edges. Can you see? So you're going to place it, you make sure it's at the middle. So once you do that, you are going to tap on this horizontal again and go over to feather. Can you see feather? Select feather. So you're going to give it feather. Let's just give it feather. Just give it like 9 or 8. You just tap on it. Good. Automatically you just created this effect. Can you see? Very, very straightforward. Let's check it out. Can you see? So this is how to create this effect. All you just need to do is to follow the instruction given to you. It is very, very straightforward. All right, it is very what? Straightforward. Please don't forget to share this video to as many groups as possible. Click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing tutorial like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And don't forget to drop your comments. Whatever you feel about this video, drop it in the comment section. Share this video. If you are yet to subscribe, please do want to subscribe to my channel. So once you are done, just come over here. You can decide to increase the resolution to 4K and export your video. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next tutorial.